Want your iPhone to flash for notifications? In this video, I am going to show you how to turn on LED flash alerts. So unlock your phone and go to Settings app on home screen. Next, tap on the Accessibility. On this page, scroll down and select Audio/Visual. Now you have to access Visual section. To do so, scroll all the way to LED flash for alerts. Tap LED flash for alerts, then toggle it on. If you want flashes only when silent mode is activated, turn on flash on silent. On this page, there is also a setting for flash alerts while your device is unlocked. Then, you need to enable this toggle. This page offers enable LED flash notifications and customizable settings. But I suggest for better results, you have to enable all the toggles green on this page. And that's it. Now, your iPhone will flash for calls and message flash alerts. Let's check the live demo. So my phone get Mark Nelson call with flash alert. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Like and follow for more iPhone tips.